Alex here from opensourcebb.com, and today we're doing a app review for an app called Web Design Cheat Sheet. So as you can see off the bat, it has HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and site feeds. If you click and hold down on each of them, you can see the title. So let's go into HTML5. So it has a list of all of the codes. So some of these may look familiar to you if you are web designers. So for instance, we'll click the BR here, and here it explains to you when you use this element, and then it gives you a nice little example of it in the coding. If you want to get the documentation, you can click the button here. It will open up the documentation in a web view. You can go back. So if you want to, if you know exactly what you want to go to, you can click the three dots on the bottom right and say you want to jump down to T because you know something that you want down there. So then you can click like table because that's what you're looking for. It gives you another nice example. So you can click and pull down. If you click and hold the back button and pull to the right, you can get to the quick menu swap, which is on the right here because this is, or on the left here, it's a Native Cascades app. So you can click the CSS3 thing here. This is coming soon. As an in-app purchase, as you can see. So let's go down to site feed. So here is the designer, all their favorite web design site feeds that can help you out. Some of these may look familiar, Smashing Magazine and such. So if you click the web design ledger, for instance, it pulls in the site all these feeds for this site in particular. So let's click the top feed. So it will load up the site. So this is the full site loaded, and as you can see, it's not very mobile friendly. So what you can do with this, what the developers added in, is a reader mode. So if you click here, it swaps over to a nice mobile friendly site. So from here as well, it is optimized for the Q10. So you can click here and choose a dark theme, which this obviously looks very nice and is battery friendly on the Q10 if you want to do that. So let's switch that back. You can share down here. So if you want to share to Twitter, for instance, say that you really like that article, click black there. And then so it pulls in the title, it pulls in the URL link, and you can just click send. So that posts it to Twitter. You can click the close button here. If you want to refresh the feeds, for instance, you can click the refresh button. You can scroll down and up and see. So you can do the same setting here if you want to search straight to a certain letter, for instance, say that you want to go to the web design ledger, you can click W there, it'll scroll down to the bottom of the list. If there's not a site feed here that you would like, click the request feed button here and just, say here, please add, this site feed. So easy enough for that, and that is pretty much it. That is Web Design Cheat Sheet. BBM connected. You can leave a review from here, invite to download, update your BBM headline, request site feed, and contact us, everything from the home screen. So that is all.